Karthik Shiva and you are watching TKS Education channel. Now we are looking on the topic trains. We have already discussed the three types. Now we are going to discuss the type 4. If you haven't seen the past videos, go to the link in the description and see it. There is also I symbol in the top right corner. Click it, you can see the past videos. Now the type 4, which is theory of relativity. This is the type 4. In this there are two methods. One is the two trains are moving in opposite direction. Second one is the two trains are moving in the same direction. We will see one by one. First one is in an opposite direction. So this is the first method in this type 4 topic, which is opposite direction. Suppose consider this as a train 1 and this as a train 2. So here this train is moving in one direction and this train is moving in opposite direction. So what is the time taken for the train 1 to cross train 2 completely? What is meant by crossing is that the rear end of this first train, which means this part, will be crossing the rear end of the second train completely. Both trains are crossed completely, which is called crossing. So this kind of problems will be asking under this section, and we will see another section which is same direction. So in the same direction, so consider the train. This is a train 1 and this is a train 2. So in this, the train 1 has arrived 1 hour before the train 2 from the same station, and train 1 is moving in a 40 km per hour, and train 2 suppose will be moving under 50 km per hour. What is the time taken for the train 2 to reach or to cross the train 1? This kind of sums will be asking under this topic. So this is the major part in the type 4 theory of relativity. The difference is that here the both trains moving in opposite direction, so the speed will be getting added. So therefore the moving speed will be increased. But here both trains are moving in same direction. Therefore the speed will be getting reduced. Therefore total speed is equal to speed of first train plus speed of second train. Here total speed will be equal to speed of first train minus speed of second train. So this will be the major difference between these two parts. So we will see problem on it. Now we will see this problem. A train 100 meter long traveling at 60 km per hour passes another train twice faster in opposite direction in 10 seconds. Find the length of the second train. So here the length of the first train is given as 100 meter and its traveling speed will be given, and passes the another train twice faster. Here it is given that the second train is twice as fast as first train. So therefore we will be writing given data. The length of the first train will be 100 meter and speed of the first train will be 60 km per hour, and the speed of the second train will be twice the speed of the first train, therefore 120 km per hour, and it is moving in an opposite direction. Here it is given as opposite direction, therefore we will be adding the speed. Therefore total speed will be speed of the first train plus speed of the second train, which is 60 plus 120, 180 km per hour. Here the time will be given as 10 seconds. Therefore what we need to find? We need to find the length of the second train. Okay, now in this kind of problems, type 4 problems, the length of the train 1 plus length of the train 2 is the distance of 4 train. Now the distance of the train, therefore length of first train plus length of second train. We know the length of first train is 100 meter, but we don't know the length of second train. Therefore we take it 100 plus x. Here we have to see one point. The length of the train will be given as meter, the time will be given as second, but the speed will be given as kilometer per hour. We need to convert this kilometer per hour to meter per second. What we have seen in the type 1, for converting this kilometer per hour into meter per second, total speed is equal to 180 into 5 by 18. That's what for the conversion. Now the total speed of the train will be 50 meter per second. So this will be the total speed of the two trains. Therefore, we know the formula: distance is equal to speed into time, that we always use. Distance is equal to speed into time. This is the general formula we will be using for speed. The total speed we have found. For distance, 100 plus s we need to put. Therefore, 100 plus x is equal to, the speed is 50 into time will be 10. Therefore, 100 plus s is equal to 50 into 10, which is 500. 100 plus x is equal to 500. Therefore, x is equal to 500 minus 100. So the answer will be x is equal to 400 meter. So this will be the speed of the second train. So this will be the speed of the second train. Hope you enjoy the video. We will see some better concepts in the future video. If you are liking this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for the instant notification of our videos. Share it with your friends. Thank you.